Money doesn't grow slowly forever. It explodes all at once. Most high net worth individuals don't build their fortunes over a lifetime. They build 80% of it in a single decade. A 10-year window, that changes everything. Miss it, and you stay average. Catch it, and your life splits into before and after. This is the 10-year window concept, a short, intense period where opportunity meets preparation, leverage multiplies effort, and wealth compounds at unnatural speed. Today, you'll learn why this window exists, how billionaires use it, and how to identify and dominate your own. Look closely at the world's richest people, and you'll see a pattern. Jeff Bezos didn't become one of the richest men on earth by slowly building wealth for 40 years. His defining decade, 1997 to 2007. That's when Amazon went from a risky online bookstore to a dominant force in global commerce. The internet boom, logistics expansion, investor belief, everything aligned. That was his window. Now look at Elon Musk. His defining decade, 2010 to 2020. That's when Tesla went from near bankruptcy to dominating EVs. SpaceX redefined space travel. Same person, same intelligence. But without that decade, no trillion-dollar impact. So the question is, why does wealth concentrate in such a short time? Because wealth isn't linear. It's driven by three forces. One, timing. Markets move in waves. The internet in the early 2000s, mobile in the 2010s, AI happening right now. If you're early, you struggle. If you're late, you compete. But if you're perfectly timed, you dominate. 2, leverage. Leverage is what turns effort into exponential output. There are 3 types: capital, technology, and people. During your window, leverage becomes easier to access and more powerful. 3, compounding momentum. Success builds on itself. One win leads to more visibility, more capital, better opportunities, and suddenly, growth doesn't just continue. It accelerates. Here's the part nobody tells you. Your 10-year window is limited. It doesn't last forever. It opens quietly and closes without warning. Many people miss it because they're distracted, they're comfortable, or they don't recognize the opportunity. They think they have time, but they don't. So, how do you find yours? Look for the intersection of 3 things. 1, skill. What can you do better than most people? Not what you like, what you can win at. 2, market shift. Where's the world going? Right now, AI automation, digital businesses, creator economy, remote work infrastructure. These are not trends. They are shifts. 3, access to leverage. Ask yourself, can I scale this with software, capital, distribution? If the answer is yes, you might be standing at the edge of your window. Once you find it, you don't move slowly. You go all in. Step 1, focus obsessively. During your window, distractions are expensive. This is not the time to try different things, see what happens. This is the time to pick one path and dominate it completely. Step 2, use leverage aggressively. This is where most people hesitate. The wealthy don't. They use debt to scale faster, technology to automate, people to multiply output. Used correctly, leverage compresses 30 years of work into 10. Step 3, move with urgency. Speed matters more than perfection because your window is shrinking every day. The longer you wait, the more competition enters, the harder it becomes. Let's make this practical. If you were starting today, where would your window be? Right now, we're in the early stages of AI-driven businesses, automated content, digital infrastructure. A single person can now run entire companies, reach millions, scale globally. This has never been possible before. This is a window. If you ignore this, life doesn't collapse. It just becomes average. You work, you earn, you survive, but you never experience exponential growth. And the gap between you and those who caught their window becomes permanent. The 10-year window is real. It's how fortunes are built. It's how industries are dominated. and it might already be open for you. The only question is, will you recognize it before it closes? Because in the end, it's not about working harder than everyone else. It's about working harder than ever at the right time. If you found this valuable, make sure to like this video, share it with someone who needs to see it, and subscribe for more content on building leverage, wealth, and financial freedom.